I'm gonna build a wide body GT3. It should look like this. Now the best thing about this car is all the styling cues are from the GT1 car. Like the mirrors and the wing and the shape of the back.
Most of the parts here it's inspired by the GT1, from the Le Mans 98 year.
That's so cool, man. This thing's really wide. How much wider is the whole car?
It's about 20 centimeters wide.
Let's look at this thing. Holy moly.
Insane.
Look at this.
I love the 4x4 instead of the 2x2.
Yeah, this is the same carbon that is used on Pagani.
Yeah.
It's the same, one-on-one, it's the same. Because I import this and I have special machine, autoclave, that I built.
Oh, you have your own autoclave?
Yes. I can show you because now I have the new prototype. It's in warehouse here.
Yeah.
Before we transport the company, then I made the cars.
So this is a 992 you start off with, and then you build the entire body, designed it yourself, you built it yourself
the
here.
doors is original.
Only the doors?
Yes.
Incredible.
I even changed the roof because here is the panorama roof, glass, and I must change it. So we cut the roof out.
I love the interior of this car. Can we open up the interior?
Yes. Just we must go because I don't have
This is a door handle. Look.
This is not complete from
The interior is insane. Oh yeah, I need one of these, man. This thing is sick.
Interior also we can make in Poland because we are very nice here.
The interior?
Company then make
The interior is amazing. Beautiful. The green. I love that look.
So the base of this car is a 992 what?
This is just a Carrera.
This is
Just a Carrera.
This is 992S. This is the first one I built. I bought it 3 years ago and started building it, and I planned 6 months, but this takes 3 years.
To perfect it all.
Yes.
What's the hardest part of doing this?
The body kit, because we're making this many times. Sometimes we'll finish it, but I don't like it, and we make it new.
And it's all carbon?
All carbon also because it's pre-preg from autoclave, so it needs the special molds to make it.
Yeah, a lot of work.
And
I love the mirrors because the mirrors are like
very
GT1
special.
inspired. Those are the sickest mirrors ever. Look at the back end of this car. You guys always wanted me to build a Porsche. I didn't build a Porsche because none of the Porsches that are on planet Earth and resonate with me. And if you know what the GT1 car looks like, it's the car that everybody wants. And a lot of people are trying to redesign cars that look like it. In fact, there is one company that makes like a modern version of a street legal GT1 car.
Well, that was cool.
Yeah, the wings, Oh, that's cool. And it's incorporated in behind the paint.
I have the only company that can make this because I make the special machine.
Yeah.
I make this in vacuum, and this is under the carbon.
Yeah, and it's behind the paint, so if you turn it off, it's silver.
What?
Yeah,
You
look.
can have the police.
Oh my god. Hell yeah.
Good.
So these LEDs are behind the paint?
Yes.
Yes, it's like the fiber optics more. It's inside and it's like this side.
Well, I've never seen that before. That's pretty cool.
Better light,
Yeah, the back's really cool, all the carbon. That looks 3D printed.
It's
The tips.
3D printed from stainless steel.
Oh, I love all this. Look at that.
I love this design, man. Great job.
So do people send you the car, or do you ship them the kit?
You can, we can build your car. You can build the car here, or I have now one place in California. You can.
Really?
Yes, we're now building one there.
And are you making only so many of these, or?
At this moment is yesterday was 8, but it's 9 now, because
There's a donor.
my friend bring me car to build it, so it's 9 now.
Wow. That's quite the undertaking to start a business making something this aggressive.
Yeah.
But you didn't start with this. You started with the Mercedes GT, right?
Yes, I first making Mercedes body kits, but later I need carbon, and I make the machines to make carbon to the Mercedes, and growing with the techniques and the knowledge, and now I built this because I have the knowledge to build the parts, so I decided to make it bigger. Not just the over fenders, we make all the body kit.
This thing is so sick.
Shout out to Legends sponsoring this entire road trip. You guys want to have some fun? Hit up Legends.
What's your favorite feature? What do you like about it? What stands out?
The whole look. It looks like a little mini GT1 car.
Yes.
It's so sick.
This is like a GT1 car for the daily use.
Yeah.
It's very comfortable.
Yeah. Oh, it's incredible. It's just the way that you've been able to take what would normally be such a longer car.
It's longer because the normal Porsche is about from here.
Really?
Yes, it's about 25 centimeters longer on the rear, and on front is about 15 centimeters.
Gotcha. Oh, that's cool.
More like GT1. It's longer. First I try make it shorter, but I don't like it, so I make it longer also. Now the duct tape was on the one shape,
Oh, I love it. And you make this all, is this all functional?
Yes, this is all functional. It's straight to the engine.
The engine. Incredible.
Also, the suspension up front is wider.
Yep.
So car is better. Sorry about this because it's missing.
Yeah, no problem. This is like not done yet.
Show you the prototype of the, because the levers will be open and closed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, they move.
Yes.
Like a Project One.
Yes, I will show you on the.
Sick.
On the. We can go there.
Let's go look.
So they got actuators and all that sort of
I
stuff.
have some parts here.
This is cool.
It's prototype because we making now this from carbon.
Oh wow.
Because this is printed.
Oh
Broken. This is plastic. It will be like this.
Oh, that's
carbon.
cool.
Because all the parts I first printed.
Yeah.
Is they work, so later make the molds and carbon production. So next week will be from carbon and will be on car. It's inspired by the MG1 Mercedes.
Oh, that's really cool. It's really cool how it's automated like that. So what's in the car will function off of the remote or off something in the car?
It will be from computer, driving on the track. Need more cooling, so we'll be open.
Oh wow, that's really cool. You do all this yourself. You designed this.
Yes.
Did you go to school for this?
No.
You just learn as you go.
I finished the building school.
Oh my god. And where's your actual workshop?
On the home, but I have now a renovation because we're preparing the place for the autoclave, the new machine. I can show you later the autoclave because I have it here.
Great. So that Porsche back there, that 992 back there is going to turn into this.
It will be same, but this is of my friend, same like mine, but there's a manual gearbox.
That one's manual.
Yeah, it's manual. There's some parts here.
Holy.
The new machine that.
The Oppenheimer.
Yes.
Wow. Holy man. That's massive.
Yeah, it's very big. It's weight is about 6,000 kilos.
Wow.
You can see here. Because there's a very big pressure.
Oh, hell yeah.
The same technique use F1.
Yeah.
And they're making carbon. Even Ferrari have the very close design machine. Look like spaceship.
Wow. That looks expensive.
It's expensive, but I have a half price because I make it.
Yeah.
Then I must buy it.
Wow.
Also make some features that I need, so it's better for me to.
So what happens inside here?
Here you're putting the carbon and molds, and later is 140 degrees heat, and pumping here the pressure, the 6 bars is a very big pressure. Must be very strong because this can explode. Yeah. This is why we have Oppenheimer.
Pressure and heat.
Very big pressure.
Did you notice it said Oppenheimer on the door?
We name it Oppenheimer because it just looks like when this
looks like
hanging on the crane when they bring it and hang it on the crane. Very high, it looks like.
So what does one this size cost? 250,000?
And this machine?
Yeah.
Normal, when you want to buy it in like Italy, there is some, the companies making the F1, $500,000 normally cost. But for me it's lower cost because I make this But for me it's good to know how to build the machine because now I can build the bigger one because I.
Wait, hold on. You made this?
Yes.
Yeah. So normally like the ones that they make for the cars is like the size of this.
Yes, because this is
like
small. This is small because I want to test it. It's
this would be
bigger.
good for like a bumper.
Yes, I want them bigger.
Yeah. Like
about 2 meters.
So one they
did you
build
say that
chassis off.
you made this or you bought this?
No, I made this, but I designed this. But
How?
He made.
company weld me,
Yeah.
Wow.
It's made from my project,
Yeah.
That I,
Cool.
It's perfect size because
You're probably on some no-fly lists, I bet.
What?
Just joking.
Well, it's just engineering, right? Like there's people on planet Earth who make all this stuff. He's just one
Yeah,
of them.
it's
He's
just-
smart.
He didn't go to school.
What's that?
Just,
No one to school. He's self-taught. That's why I'm asking all these questions.
people made this so people can do it.
Exactly. I like that. Like I think that's the point. Is that like if it's already been made and someone already knows how to make it, you can recreate stuff.
Close in 70.
This is small because I need it from the test. If I do it good, because if you need some changes, I will make it on the changes on the bigger because I now want to make the bigger about 2 meters inside. So it would be better to cars so you accumulate bigger parts.
Yeah.
I plan in future to make this like the small monocoque for the Porsche, so all doors will be open like Goodwing to the car.
Yeah, man. Like normally, if you've ever seen how these are, like the body kit for the 720 GTR Duke overseas now, he has the big one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he has like the ones where you put the whole chassis inside. Anyhow, it takes a lot to put something like this together.
Yes.
So it's the front splitter for that.
Yes, we're learning this, yeah.
And this one,
And this is from the wing.
the wing.
From the Porsche, I have many molds because we're trying on the first one. This is the test one. This is broken.
Get to see behind the scenes the prototype stuff it takes.
This is only, the template to make the hole.
That's cool.
There's only template to make the hole, the perfect on each one.
What level of thickness do you use to get the rigidity? How thick is the wing?
3 carbons on the top, on the bottom, and inside is the foam.
Yeah.
The same foam using on the Black Hawk helicopter. On the
So you inject,
Oh, yeah.
yes,
you inject it and then it fills up?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Injection inside, and it's very stiff, because it's full inside.
yeah. Stuff really intrigues me.
can
It was
see, like,
cool building all this stuff. I always wanted an autoclave. It's cool that he built it.
Here is the basic wing. You can see,
Oh yeah. Yeah, there it is. So it gives it, but
yeah.
still really light.
It's very light.
Yeah. Like, dude.
And I can show you something. It's very light, and you can stand on it.
How is it so strong?
Same foam is in the helicopter Black Hawk on the rotor.
Military
Very,
specs.
very
Cool
strong.
stuff. This is so cool. Like all the manufacturing of these parts is impressive as hell.
But this is just the part of the mold. Some in home, some in the workshop of the friend.
Yeah.
In the second workshop also we make this all parts about 3 or 5 workshops.
These are cool.
Yeah, this is because each part separate, and you can see on the screen how much is pressure. Every part can be assembly. When you see one problem, you can cut it. Only one part will be damaged, and the rest will be okay.
Right.
Can be cooking.
So you connect them separately.
Yes. I like the many of this because most people have 4 or 3 because I don't like many elements go inside, but I like the many elements so it will be faster.
They speed it up.
Yes.
Impatient.
We got many parts in the Porsche. Only the active aerodynamics on the front have about 30 parts.
Wow. 30.
Only this small vent, 50 parts, is from the wing.
Wow. I like the active louvers that you designed. Make it strong.
Yes.
I like mine strong.
I need, be very healthy because I need a lot of thinking and
What is this?
It's mushroom coffee.
Oh God.
It's
Ready for this? You ready for this?
Scary.
Today, if somebody
Drink
told me this,
Under your responsibility.
All right, you junkie, try it.
Oh, that's good.
Thank you.
Goosebumps, man. Goosebumps.
It's like mushrooms?
No.
Oh, so you open the door, open the louvers. That's cool. You need a little cold start for us in your Porsche?
car back from the paint shop 2 days ago and we break the window.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's new paint about a few days ago.
This paint's brand new, so we can't drive it, unfortunately, but take a minute to appreciate all the angles, all the curves.
I was like, I already even know what livery I'm doing on this car when I get it. Oh, bro, I'm telling you, I'll show you.
I'm like,
This is-
get it from the old racing.
I almost did it on my Carrera GT.
Yeah, this one will go on it even more better.
Got also the nose lift.
Yeah, it will rise up.
What?
Has a nose lift, like it's
That's the livery I was gonna do.
How do you do that from the remote? That's cool. That's cool.
Let's have the front lift because it's very long,
number on it.
so it's hard to parking lot, But it's no backs, it's like the aluminum, air cups. You can see it here inside.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, it's fast too.
Yeah, it's fast and very big because I need a lot of lift,
See how fast the lift on this thing is?
I already got my livery picked out for it because this is designed off the GT1 car. I was gonna do this to my CGT because I had the wheels and everything.
You know, just a base 911 is pretty sick. This one's manual. And I love the green, matte green, the interior. That's dope. That's a GT3 Touring. I'll shut the for a second. That base. That's dope. Pretty ballsy to take that car, chop it up, make it look like that.